that was okay. Good choice. Bravo. Number 2. The one in the corner? That one? That one? You say yes. Yes? That one? Yes. She wants that.
She's still wrong.
You want that one in the front? Yeah, that one. What it is? 2 is 2. What is this? 2. What is this? 2. Yes, perfect. 1 is 1. What? 2 more. 1. Okay.
Look, she's teaching you how to do it.
Good job. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3 to 1 in Japanese. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. It's time to open. Your call is white. Here, English white. My congratulations. It's my pretty class. Here, it's shiny, gorgeous, golden pearl. Congratulations. It's shiny, so beautiful, gorgeous colors. Pearl. Good job. Congratulations. Great choice. Okay, what about yours? Are you ready? Okay, please come together again. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. It's time to open. Your pearl is white. Here,
It's so pretty, baby girl.
white. Congratulations. It's super shiny, so pretty. Come on, super shiny one. Can you see? Congratulations. Good job. Let's measure the size of our first. Start from 6.5. This is our pavilion.
Alright, you guys, I'm going to do a little bit of footage here at the end because I did realize while I was there I forgot to film footage of what my finished piece looked like. I don't know how I forgot to do that, so I wanted to show you guys and then tell you a few things about our experience and a voiceover. These are the bags that our necklaces came in. It says the measurements, pretty cool. And this is what they look like finished. I did pay for the setting and the chain. You don't have to. You can buy just the pearl. I think just the pearl is like $18 or $19. You get the whole experience. They open it for you and everything. But I paid for the setting because I wanted mine to be a necklace. You could pay for just the setting, like the little loop, or you could pay for like a cage setting, whatever you want, or you can also buy the chain. I bought a chain because I wanted to wear it later that vacation. This is what the chain looks like, what the clasp looks like, things like that. I think my setting total cost me about $50 each, and that did not include the $19 or $18 for each pearl. If you could tell, they are very different. My daughter's is white, and mine's like a pretty like opal-y color, and I thought that was really cool. I let my son pick mine, that way he got to experience it as well. But I think this is my favorite souvenir I've ever got to get at a on a vacation. But anyway, I just wanted to add that at the end because I wanted to show you guys, you know, kind of what happened and what I ended up with and what I paid for it. And that is it. If you're interested in other Disney videos and tips and stuff, those are linked below, and experience videos and vlogs, and you guys know the drill. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. It means the world to me. Please stay, please subscribe. Bye, all love yins.